woman was cleaning the dishes. Suddenly she hears a strange noise coming from the sewer. She slowly went up to check it out, but the hole was too small. She couldn't see it clearly. When she got closer to hear it with her ears, the sound disappeared. The woman turned on the water and poured detergent to rinse it out. A moving bubble soon appeared in the hole. The woman was sure there was a monster in the sewer. When her husband came home, the woman told her husband what she had seen. The husband couldn't believe it, so he turned on the water to check it out, but he found nothing unusual. The husband thought the woman was hallucinating. He comforted her and went to bed with her, but the woman couldn't sleep, so she went to the bathroom. But when the husband woke up, he realized the woman was gone. He banged on the wall in anger. He asked her to come back to bed, but she didn't respond. He sensed something was wrong, so he got out of bed and went to the toilet. But the husband was shocked by what he saw. He saw a woman covered in blood hanging in the air. She was banging against the wall.